March!
My name is Jonathan Kalonga. I'm the pipe instructor.
Okay, I'm Kudzai Tarona. I'm the bass sergeant.
I'm Tate Beats and I'm the pipe major.
I'm Tinashi Chomanigomo. I am the drum major.
I'm Faraika Mwaza and I'm the drumming instructor.
And you're all from St. John's College Pipe Band in Zimbabwe. You've been here in Scotland for a couple of weeks and you've played a few competitions so far. I hear it's your guys' first time in Scotland.
Yes.
What's it like to be here for the first time? What have you enjoyed so far?
I would say it's quite daunting at first, but it has been very enjoyable. New experiences, looking around, it's a lot. It's much more different than home.
Yeah.
It's been fun actually. We've had pretty good weather. We've been told we've had pretty good weather. We haven't seen much rain. It's been fun to just see new things, new cultures, and also to see other pipe bands. We don't get to see much of that at all. The only pipe band in Zim, so it's fun to see other people play.
And you're playing in a bit of a different atmosphere. Is that taking some getting used to? The changes in temperature, how the pipe's adjusting, and that sort of thing.
Yeah, no, definitely.
It's a bit challenging, especially with the tuning of the drums, but we're getting along pretty alright.
Yeah. And you're the instructor for the only pipe band in Zimbabwe. What's it like, sort of being able to bring this big group over here, and what's it like, sort of being such a minority instrument, such a rare instrument in the country?
For me, so it's the fifth time coming to Scotland, and the first time was difficult, but now I think I know how it's like. So it's been good. Boys are working so hard. We're so lucky. We've got a good bunch of boys who are working so hard. The first competition we came first. The second one we came sixth. The last two I think we came second and a second. And it's been amazing. It's such a pleasure to bring boys and girls to come and compete here, because in Zimbabwe there's only one band which is active. So for them to come here and they get something, it's been truly amazing. And in Zimbabwe, I think we've only had one competition because we're right next to South Africa. So we've managed to go. We went there last year, is that correct? Yeah. And we managed to get good grades, which it wasn't really bad. But coming here and achieving something has been super special.
You must have a fair bit of support behind you. You've got a fairly big band. It must be, it's not an easy task bringing 20, 30, 40 pipes, drums and pipers and drummers over to Scotland. What's that been like to get it arranged, and who's been supporting you with all that? With you?
Yeah, so we've been so lucky. Kodak managed to sponsor the tour kit, the kit that we wore to Scotland. We got a sponsorship from Kodak. Mr. Chirambanigomo, our drum major, that's his father. So he bought kit for us. He spent so much money to ensure that we look smart when we travel to Scotland. And also our main sponsor, Expocare, they came aboard 2 weeks before we traveled to Scotland. They've managed to buy us new equipment, which is a huge sponsorship, from them. So we're so thankful. Expocare is owned by one of our old boys, Malcolm Lake, who's managed to help the band to be where it is now. Parents as well, they've been involved. They've been doing some fundraising, selling Irish trophies so that they can raise money for the boys to travel to Scotland.
Yeah. So it's quite a big undertaking. It must have been a few years in the planning this trip.
Yeah, it's been over 3 years of planning, to be here. And also special mention goes to our school management, who've been very supportive. They've managed to take us down here. You need that support from the school to achieve such greatness.
So aside from you're in here in Kelvingrove Park every day practicing, what else are you getting up to this week? Is there anything you've got planned? Anything else you're looking forward to in Glasgow or in Piping Live?
Well, we're looking forward to doing some paintballing, just as a team building exercise.
Yeah.
And just to let some steam out prior, the big day that we're faced. We've been around so far already to Edinburgh. We've seen a couple of monuments, old buildings and historic, features, which is a great experience for us. So, yeah, we've got that to look forward to, and the Worlds.
Yeah.
Of the weekends.
Yeah. What about you guys? Are you going to catch any of the Grade 1 on Friday before Saturday?
Definitely.
Yeah. There's anything else? Any other music you're looking forward to hearing?
Yeah, so we've been invited to attend the Simon Fraser University concerts on Wednesday, so we're looking forward to that.
Yeah, that's
I'm sure it's going to be amazing. We've met so many good friends, Bob Worrell, Owen, Gordon Brown, it's been amazing. So so on Wednesday, there's a concert for us.
Yeah. Lovely stuff. Thanks very much for talking to us, and best of luck for the weekend.
Thank you.
Sure, we'll see you again.